Business owners, content creators, I got the perfect product for you guys to help you level up your organization skills. This right here is going to be a printer from HPRT. They were kind enough to go ahead and send your boy over this product. That way we can go ahead and show you guys exactly what you can possibly use this product on. Now, this product right here, it is very small, lightweight, and compact. But then on the bright side, it does not use ink. I know you guys probably already got some printers at home, you know, for label printing that uses ink, you know, tired of spending money on it because it costs too much, or you just want something more easy to use. You know, it's 2024, man. We're tired of complex things. We want to do something simple. So this is exactly what this printer is going to be. So let's go to get straight into this unboxing video. Now, straight up in the box, we do have a couple great things up in here. The first thing we do have is obviously going to be the manual. And the manual, you definitely want to read this, especially if you're somebody that does not know how to use a label printer. I'm one of those people. I don't know how to use a label printer at all, so I will be making sure I use this product. Now, the second thing in here that I do like is that we do get a standard USB-C to USB-A charging port in here, so it's not one of those old cables, you know, that we used back in the day, back in 2000 whatever, you know, to charge with Android phones or pretty much everything. That's perfect. You know, you got the iPhone charger now, you can just go ahead and charge it up with it. And then the last thing we do have in here is going to be the label printer itself. Like I said, this label printer, it is very small, it's compact, you can even travel with it. That's the best thing about it. So since you can travel with it, and also like I said, once again, it's very small, I mean, why wouldn't you go pick this product up? Let's be real. Let's go ahead and get straight into the setup process, because this right here is actually going to be app controlled as well, and its app is going to be compatible with both phones, the iOS and Android users. So let me go and grab my phone, and we'll be right back because we got to download the app and we're gonna make us some labels. All right, so first thing is first, before we actually do go ahead and move forward, we actually do need to pop this open. We actually have some labels in here, which is perfect. Let's go ahead and take those out because we got to remove this red tape on there first so we can actually get, you know, to print. And I hope this thing isn't dead. That's gonna kind of upset me, but you know, I know that's the new normal for products. So we're just gonna leave that right there, slap that back up in there, and then they do have like these little grips in here as well in the printer, where you just go ahead and slide those in just to make sure you secure it. Go to close that down right there, and then in order for us to turn it on, all we have to do is just hold this power button. I think so. Yep, there we go. We on, and boom, rip that off. Perfect. So we ain't got to charge it up right now, so that's a great thing. So now we're going to be going to the HPRT app. This is the app which you guys can use, and it is also found inside of the key, you know, in the manual. Like I say, make sure you read this because you want to get that QR code just so you can, you know, download this app if you cannot find it. So let's go to see if we can find it, which we have the HPRT T20 model right here, and now we're connected. So let's go ahead and collect a new label right here. Okay, so then we have a bunch of customizations as well. We can put photos on here. Well, we're not going to do that. We don't need photos on there. So, you know, this is where you can obviously go ahead and input your text. So I'm going to put hello from CJ brand. And we can also, oh gosh, that's too much. I'll put that right there. And then we can add on, well, we can make the text bigger, obviously. Looks like we can't change the color as much, but you could definitely change the fonts on here as well. And then obviously, you know, definitely go ahead and play with the app a little bit more yourself. I know you probably couldn't see that much, but that's that. I need to see if we can remove this. Yes, we can. Uh-oh. Okay, so let's delete. Okay. I don't think we can delete this. Come on, my finger's too big for it or something? I think my fingers may be a little too, okay, there we go. Okay, I'm like, dang, can we not delete it? But cool, that's going, and then we got some stickers as well. I guess let's go to add us on a, let's go to add on this little rabbit. That's pretty cool, I guess. So we'll put that right there. And then all we got to do is go ahead and hit the print button. And then for those, if you actually want to save it, hold on, let me get some focus for you. If you actually want to save, you can obviously go ahead and save it right there. Uh-oh. Okay, you can save this down here, but we're going to go ahead and print it, and then it should just print out from here. So let's see. Printing. Boom. And just like that, we have us a brand new little sticker that says hello from CJ Brand. So so like I was pretty much saying, man, this label printer is definitely going to help out for people that actually want to, you know, step up the organization, you know, game and everything. This is our very first label we did print out. It just says hello from CJ brand, and it comes with, like, you know, full customization suite, you know, within the app. Make sure you guys do open up this description. I mean, the manual. I don't know why I keep saying description. Make sure you open up the manual so you can go ahead and, you know, look at the proper steps on how to set it up. We've already pretty much set up everything the right way. There's a couple things in here as well. You can also triple tap this button to print out like a test label, but we've already printed out a real label, so we skipped that process, but I'll just show you guys just for the heck of it. So that's 3, and then it's gonna print out the test label. And then, I'm like, dang, it's printing out more than a test. But within the test, it just prints out like the details and everything. Hold on, let me get the focus for you. It just prints out like details and everything, you know, of the printer. So that's pretty much it, man. Let me know if you guys do think that this would be a game changer product for you guys, because me personally, I think that it would be, honestly. I'm not gonna lie to you, because it's very small. The labels are not super duper big, so it's not gonna be, you know, valuable for like printing the product out. You know, not printing, I'm gonna say postage wise, but once again, the organization, you know, just putting, you know, small labels on certain items. Like me personally, I got a lot of camera gear. So now guess what? I can print stuff out. I can put them on my lens caps. You know, this is something that I'd be able to use it for. And that's going to be perfect to let me know, hey, this is your 50mm camera lens. You know, I mean, yeah, camera lens, you know, don't mess it up. You feel me? So yeah, man, that is all we got for you guys today on this HPRT. This is the T20 model printer today. I will be making sure that you guys can, you know, visit a purchase link down below in the description. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.